add an object into a photo. So here's I'm opening this photo, and in this photo I want to add this cat. Let's see how to do it. After opening the main photo, just tap on this Galaxy AI option. Here you have to select Generative Edit. Now just tap on this three dot. Here you have to select Add from Gallery, and now from your gallery select the object that you want to add. And here if you want to add the object with entire background, just go ahead and tap on done. In my case I'm going to select only this cat, so I'm just selecting here snap to shape, and then I'm going to selecting this cat just like so. Once the object selected, now tap on done, and here you can see the object successfully inserted. Now you can move the object, you can resize the object by tapping any of these dot, and you can also rotate your object just like so. So I'm going to adding the cat here and making it a little bit smaller, and then I'm tapping on generate. If you see this generate option not working, then you have to rotate your main photo a little bit. So you can just increase a value or decrease a value from here just like so, and then tap on generate, and it may take some moments to generate your photo. And here we can see the final result. Here you can see the original photo, and here you can see the object I inserted. Now I'm tapping on save copy, and here is the photo. That's it.